welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I want to make a Dollar Tree farmhouse DIY. I'm going to be making some farmhouse kitchen scales. I've seen these for many years now in Michael's and places like that, but I never purchased them. And so I thought I'd make my own. Now this idea, I tweaked it somewhat. I found it on a blog. And I don't remember the lady's name, or I would link it in my description box because I was looking at so many different things. And it's not verbatim what she did, but I tweaked it to suit what I could find and what I thought looked good. But let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really cute project, okay? You're going to need one of these little flower pots, and they come in different colors. This was kind of like a beigey gray, and I spray painted mine. Then you're going to need a white, it comes white, the plate, but they're kind of like oval on the edges, and you'll need one of these. Then you'll need a clear plate. I spray painted this as well, and it's just one of their clear plates. And then you're going to need, out of their toy section, one of these little tables that go in a dollhouse, okay? It just looks like this. And then you're going to need some Crafter Square brushes and some thumbnail. This is totally Dollar Tree, this DIY. And I got the silver, but I'm going to paint mine. Then you're going to need, and I'll put the link in the description box where you can get this free printable for a scale face, okay? And I just printed mine out, not on white paper, and I used like a thicker cardboard. It's not real thick, but it's sort of like a creamy, about the color that my spray paint is, okay? You'll need something to cut with, and then you're going to need some needle nose pliers, and you're going to need some Rust-Oleum spray paint in gloss ivory, but you can use any color that you want. You'll also need a glue gun in combination with E6000 to hold this. I'm not going to put mine together with the E6000. I have so many allergies, I'm just going to be sticking with the hot glue. So if you enjoy this video, I hope that you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell and set it to all notifications so that you won't miss anything when I upload it. Okay, let me get this ready and we'll get started. Okay, first thing I want to do, and I don't think I mentioned this, but I'm going to be painting the Thumbtacks with the Waverly chalk paint in ink because it's almost looks black, okay? So that's what we're going to do. And you need 3 because right here on the scale picture, it's like 3 little places. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, okay? And I'm just going to cut this off at the very back after I get it painted. I think I'm going to use that to help myself paint. And I'm going to take one of these brushes and just paint these. Just like that, and set it down. And like I said, you can make your scale any color you want. You can distress your scale if you want. I thought about distressing it, but I think I'm going to leave it alone because I think I really like how it looks. Okay, the first thing I want to do is take this. Like I said, I spray painted the clear plate, the round, you know, the edges that are sort of rounded. I've spray painted that. I spray painted this. And I spray painted the little toy dollhouse furniture with the Rust-Oleum spray paint in gloss ivory. And now all I'm going to do, I think I may take some of this foam mounting tape. I got this at the Dollar Tree as well. It's totally up to you whether you do it or not. And adhere this to the plate with it. So let's see. We'll just see. Because I don't want anything that's going to have to deal with glue with this. So let's just put it on here, see where this is actually going to hit. I think that'll work. I think I'm going to put 4 on here. We're supposed to be opening up Monday, our stage, so I'm sort of excited. We'll see. Okay, then I'm just going to take this, put this right in here and sort of center it as best I can and press down like that, and that's what we get. You could even take a pen or a paint and age it around through here or give it a different color, but I really like that. Okay, now what I want to do is take this brush set from Crafter Square and figure out how long I want my handle. And I think I'm going to go back right here to my Thumbtacks. They're dry. Going to take the Klein pliers again, cut that off flush, get my glue gun, put a little drop of glue right there, and press that down. And that's what we're getting so far. I think it looks very realistic, okay? So let's see. Then I'm going to cut the next one off. This is a very easy DIY and very customizable to get you whatever color you want. I think I'm just going to put this right on here this time, so maybe it won't get on my paper. Put that one right here and do the same thing with the next one. Okay, and that's what we're getting. I love it. Okay, I've changed my mind about, because it was really hard to bend this wire. The learning curve is unreal to get what I wanted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these same Crafter Square brush sets, and I'm going to try to get the, this one's already flat right here. If it wasn't, you could take these needle nose pliers and just make it flat, okay? Then I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and try to cut this hair, the bristles, really, really close, because it's almost impossible to get these out. Just cut that off. Then I'm going to take this and come down through here and kind of make a V. And cut. And cut again. You see where I'm going? To try to make something that looks like it's and then I think I'm going to take this and squeeze it. Okay, maybe I could cut. All right, and that will give us what we need, like that, okay? And then I'm going to take this paint. I don't know, I may paint it. Then I'm going to see where I want it. I'm going to have to paint it. And I'm going to cut this about right here, and I'm going to try to get a good straight cut. Like that. It does cut this pretty nicely, but you can always take some sandpaper if you want and try to get it like that, pretty level. Then I'm going to go back in with this Waverly chalk paint in ink and paint this. And then you won't see that hair on the end at all. It will just look like it's just the pointy part. I really like that. I think that's really cute. Now I'm going to go dry this with a dryer and then I'll be back. Okay, and this is what we have. I think that is really cute, and I've got a little cut right there. All right, now what we're going to do is put this where we think we want it and glue it right on here. I'm going to put some glue. Dab a little bit of it off. Give it where we want it, hold it. And this is what we have. I really do like that, okay? So now the rest of this is really, and this really wasn't hard. It's just I had to revise what I was going to do, okay? So now what you want to do is take this little toy, and we're going to glue it right up here. So I'm going to put some hot glue on each of the little legs. And that's going to look like something that your scales would set on. To hold it up, press down, and that's what we're getting. That's really cute. All right, then you can either glue this or not glue this. You set this right on there. I guess I will go ahead and glue it. Just put some glue right in there. Get it straight. Press down. So you can see it's coming to life, okay? And then we just have one more thing to do. Now, like I said, you can age this if you want. I'm not going to age mine. I really like the clean look. And then I'm going to put some glue here. Now, this is where I'm telling you, you definitely want to use some E6000 in combination with this to get this to set. But I use Gorilla Glue. I've used it for a long time, and it really does hold. Okay, we'll take a look at it. Okay, here it is. I love how this turned out. It really does look like a functioning scale. It's all Dollar Tree, and I put some Dollar Tree apples up here and then a lemon that I had. But it is so cute. Like I said, you could distress this if you wanted to. It's totally up to you, and you don't have to spend all that money to get your own kitchen scales. I can't wait to put this out in my kitchen. It really gives a good farmhouse vintage scale look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I have some more ideas for Dollar Tree DIYs. I cannot wait. But like I said, I'll put in the description box the free printable for that face to the scale. But this is, and you, like I said, you could make this turquoise, you could make this white, and you could put black on it. You could do anything, but I really like the clean look of this, so that's why I've made mine like this. It's kind of like a cream color. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.